Manipur Governor Ajay Bhalla emphasized that every Indian citizen must play a role in nation building. He was speaking as a chief guest at the Tiranga concerts held today at the Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound, Imphal, as a part of Har Ghar Tiranga 2026 campaign. The event was also attended by Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, Deputy Chief Minister Losi Diko, Home Minister Govindas Konthausam, Art and Culture Minister Kurajam Lokan and several MLAs. Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen also participated virtually. During the event, the composer, lyricist and the artists of the state song Sana Laibak Manipur were honored with gifts, while students from the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy performed cultural items. Speaking further, Ajay Bhalla stated that the nation building rests entirely on the soldiers of its citizens. He recalled that over 9 lakh citizens unfurled the national tricolour across both urban and rural areas during last year's Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, and over 7 crore people took photos at Tiranga selfie booths and uploaded them to social media. The governor maintained that this massive public participation in 2025 not only projected India's strength but also reflected the harmonious coexistence of its diverse communities. Underscoring the vital importance of Manipur's cultural diversity in shaping the idea of India, he stated that the peaceful dwelling of different communities across the country is a testament to the oneness of the Indian people.
Commemorate 150 years of Vande Mataram as our national song. For a century and a half, these words of Vande Mataram have stirred a deep sense of patriotism and love for the motherland. They continue to resonate across generations, reminding us of the emotional bond that unites us as Indians. This afternoon's program gives that enduring spirit a vibrant expression through music, dance and remarkable talent of our artists. Here in Manipur, our rich cultural heritage adds its own distinctive voice to the national celebration. From the traditions of our hills and valley to our classical, folk and contemporary artistic expressions, our cultural diversity reflects the very idea of India. Many traditions, many voices, yet one shared sense of belonging. The patriotic songs presented by Shri Bal Mukund Dev Music College have brought alive the emotion and pride associated with our motherland.
Aikoi tongan ba lo su tongan ba jati ora su tongan ba dharma chapa jati ora su aikoi philana sigi makhada we are all Indian haibuduni koi Bharat Basi na haibuduni loina ai nga sigi miko sigi tanja lojaraga aina thamjaning basi I print amadi electronic media gi khoi kuthangda. First of all, we are all Indian. Secondly, we are Manipuri. Aduna aikoi Bharat Basi ama oibagi amadi Manipuri jati Manipuri oibagi sautuk sabadu madu leina bagi tamta aina punamukta request tawdari maduri koi school sing office sing tangakta Bharat machuang gi piran chithet panataba koi lumthong kudi mukta su Tetsi hajarakanda ay purang puthagat po pangusari.